Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative. Today, I'm going to be talking about avocado beauty tips. Avocados are a superfood that are packed with nutrients that are great for your skin and hair. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite avocado beauty tips. Avocado face mask. One of my favorite avocado beauty tips is to use avocado as a face mask. Avocados are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are all essential for healthy skin. They also contain fatty acids that help to moisturize the skin. To make an avocado face mask, simply mash up an avocado and apply it to your face for 15-20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and enjoy soft, hydrated skin. Avocado hair mask. Avocados are also great for your hair. They can help to moisturize your hair and make it more manageable. To make an avocado hair mask, simply mash up an avocado and mix it with a few tablespoons of olive oil. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with shampoo and conditioner and enjoy softer, healthier hair. Avocado eye cream. Avocados can also be used as an eye cream. The fatty acids in avocados help to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. To make an avocado eye cream, simply mash up an avocado and mix it with a few drops of almond oil. Apply it to your eyes and leave it on overnight. Wake up to brighter, more radiant eyes. Other avocado beauty tips. In addition to these 3 tips, there are a few other ways that you can use avocados for beauty. For example, you can use avocado oil as a makeup remover or to condition your nails. You can also use avocado to make a body scrub or a lip balm. DIY avocado beauty products. If you're looking for more ways to use avocados for beauty, you can try making your own DIY beauty products. Here are a few ideas. Avocado face mask. Mash up an avocado and apply it to your face for 15-20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Avocado hair mask. Mash up an avocado and mix it with a few tablespoons of olive oil. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with shampoo and conditioner. Avocado eye cream. Mash up an avocado and mix it with a few drops of almond oil. Apply it to your eyes and leave it on overnight. Avocado makeup remover. Mash up an avocado and apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Wipe away makeup with warm water. Avocado nail conditioner. Mash up an avocado and mix it with a few drops of olive oil. Apply it to your nails and let it soak in for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Avocado body scrub. Mash up an avocado and mix it with a few tablespoons of sugar. Apply it to your body in a circular motion. Rinse it off with warm water. Avocado lip balm. Mash up an avocado and mix it with a few drops of honey. Apply it to your lips. Potential side effects. It's important to note that avocados can cause allergic reactions in some people. If you have any concerns, please consult with a doctor before using avocado for beauty purposes. Additional information. Here are some additional information about avocado beauty tips. Avocados are a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Avocados are also a good source of fatty acids, which can help to keep your skin hydrated and looking its best. Avocados are a versatile ingredient, so you can use them to make a variety of beauty products. So, those are some of my favorite avocado beauty tips. I hope you enjoyed them. If you have any other avocado beauty tips that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video on avocado beauty tips. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. I hope this video is long enough for you. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.